Hey guys, so back again with another install from Yotto Overland. Today we're going to be installing their hood struts on the 2020 Jeep. Now this is going to replace the need for having to actually prop up your hood with that factory prop, and you won't have to throw it back on your windshield as well anymore. Also, if you've got a lifted Jeep, this is a really great option. It makes it much easier to open and close your hood. So first let's start with what comes in the box, and then we'll jump into the installation. When your struts come in the mail, they're securely packaged in this cardboard box. Inside, you'll find detailed instructions, the bottom brackets, top brackets, and the struts themselves. Installation is simple. First, you'll need to open your hood and prop it up for the last time. Next, grab your 10mm wrench in the bottom bracket. Remove this bolt on the upper fender of your Jeep. Put the lower mount in place and tighten the bolt back down. Now grab the upper mount and remove the lower bolt so that we can swing the back part of the bracket. Find this slot cut into the hood of your Jeep from the factory. You'll need to pull back the weather stripping a bit, but pop the bracket into place and then realign the lower mounting bracket. Tighten it down and you're set. Now we can just pop our strut onto the mount. Make sure you use the mount with a red clip on the bottom. With the passenger side installed, we'll repeat this process on the driver's side. And that's it. Now we're ready to test our new hood struts. Look at that smooth motion. So that's it for this one. Pick up your hood struts at the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.